Some weeks are busier than others. Some seasons are busier than others. If you're finding yourself in an extra busy week or season, this video is just for you. Today I'm sharing some cleaning motivation to help you get through those busier weeks and seasons you may find yourself in. When I find myself in a busy week or a busy season of life, cleaning sometimes can become challenging. It can become a challenge to keep up with every household task that needs to be taken care of, especially those that need to be taken care of on a daily basis. When I find myself in seasons of life like this, I like to break it down into days rather than getting everything done in one day. So in today's video, you'll see me cleaning over a few days rather than trying to get everything done in 1 or 2 days. I like to do this for my own mental health, decrease my stress, and allow me to move on to the things that need to be taken care of in whatever busy season of life that I'm in. Especially making sure that I'm spending time and enjoying every second that I can with my 2-year-old son. You only need to focus on one step forward. You don't need to conquer the entire mountain right now. You don't need to have everything figured out today. The only possible way to climb a mountain is by climbing it one step at a time. Don't think about the peak. Don't worry about what may come later. Instead, focus on the one little step in front of you. The rest will come when it's time. For now, it's just one little step at a time. I started this video with my laundry. It was the one area that I had been neglecting doing the folding. I'm sure you've been there too, where life is just busy and you at least have clean clothes so you can just come in, grab something out of the basket, and move about your day. This was definitely the week that I was having where I was making sure the clothes were clean and dry and they just sat in baskets for a couple days, which does drive me crazy, and I do really work hard to make sure all of our clothes are put away because it just makes your day so much smoother not to have to rummage through a basket of clothes. But there are some times in life where it just gets behind, and that's okay. We'll just take a couple minutes and catch back up right now together. Day 2, I focused here in the dining room for just a couple minutes. There was just a few things that needed to be put away, and the table definitely needed to be wiped down. Ignore the table in the background with all the stuff sitting on it. That is stuff my husband needs to go through. He keeps walking by, and I keep hoping he will go through it, so maybe one day it will all go away. Thankfully, Thanksgiving is next week, so he will definitely have motivation to put those things away for our Thanksgiving guests. After that, I'm going to focus day 2 on cleaning the kitchen. Nothing makes me feel more productive and like I've got my house cleaned and my life together than having a clean kitchen. I spend a lot of my time in the kitchen and fully enjoy and feel more productive when it is all clean. The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that environment. That is a quote that I love from Marie Kondo. I'm sure some of you have already heard it, but I find it to be so true that cleaning does provide an environment that can make you feel so much happier. Strive for a home that is easy to tidy, not always tidy. What are your organization systems within your home? Do the objects in your home have a place to live? If the answers to these questions are no, maybe come up with some solutions that will be easy for yourself and your family to be able to put things away in no time at all. Understand the organization and the homes for all of the objects in your house. If you're looking for some motivation from that, go back and look for my decluttering videos. I've worked really hard and tried to make my organization systems easy and maintainable and not overwhelming. Even my 2-year-old son understands the organization system of his toys and can easily put away his toys and also pull them out whenever he wants to play with them. Organization and tidying does not have to be difficult or completely aesthetic. Make it make sense to you, your life, the things that you do or want to do in your homes. What will make your family life easier and less stressful? hope this video is providing you with lots of cleaning motivation, as well as some life motivation too. Having a clean and tidy home should add to the peace of your home. Your home should be a place that is easing the stress of the outside world, because we all know the outside world is full of stressors. Especially in today's world where mental health is at its peak. Everybody has anxiety, and is dealing with some sort of mental struggle. Let's work hard as moms and wives, homemakers, to make our homes that of peace, the place that we and our families can come home to, escape the outside world, a place we want to be, that we enjoy being together, look forward to coming home to, and can forget about the outside world while we learn and grow together, especially as our children are little and learning and growing and changing every single day. These days are fleeting, so let's not miss one single moment. On the hard days, easy days, exhausting days, messy days, beautiful days, overwhelming days, seemingly perfect days, you were made to be their mom. If you're in need of some mom encouragement today, remember that. God specifically chose you to be the mother of the baby you had, of the children you get to raise. And if raising them in a nice, clean, calm environment is something that you strive for, so do I. I know one day my son will look back and not remember all the cleaning I did. Well, maybe he will. I think most people do, when they think of me, think of a clean home and someone who has that as a standard for herself, but that's okay. I hope he, more than that, remembers a calm, peaceful home to play at, a place that he enjoyed being, a mom who was a little less distracted and available to play with him, and all the times that we got to enjoy together as a family. I hope you're able to give that to your kids as well. And know that you are a great mom. It's always such a nice feeling when the kitchen is completely clean. Not that all the dishes are put away in this very second, but that's okay. I still have a candle lit, it smells great in here, it's clean and picked up, ready for us to make dinner and enjoy the rest of our day. Day 3, I just had to do a little bit of tidying here in the living room. Blankets needed to be washed and the carpet definitely needed to be vacuumed. My son was home on this day, so I wanted to make sure he had a nice floor to play with all of his toys, and he was ready and excited to play, as you will see here in this clip. Gecko has been found, so now my son is able to let me quickly pick up the living room and do the vacuuming so he can play. This is our dog Millie. If you are new here, she is our little shadow, especially when my son is home. She stays on top of us even more. We call her the dog mama, as she just protects and watches over him every second that she can. Oh, and she hates this vacuum. She growls at it and attacks it whenever I try to use it. I'm always having to get her to move out of the way so I can just quickly vacuum. Since she's the reason I have to do all this vacuuming anyways, her hair sheds like crazy. She does not have a problem with my robot vacuum though. That doesn't bother her at all, which is pretty funny. This one though, she attacks every single time. So as I said when we started this cleaning video, if you are in a busy week or busy season of life, don't feel like you have to get the cleaning all done in one day. Break it up into a few days. If you have to clean something every single day of the week, then do that. There's no rules or perfect schedule to cleaning, and it could change every single week if that's what works for you and your life or whatever you have going on during a particular week or a particular season. I hope you got lots of motivation from this video, maybe got some cleaning done alongside me, if not are able to get up and get cleaning now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have not yet, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday and would love to have you back here again when I post on Friday.